is Millie from the Octoparse. If you're a business owner or sales who's struggling to get sales leads for more profit, this is the right video for you. In this video, I'm going to cover what are sales leads, how to generate sales leads using web scraping, and how to scrape qualified leads at a scale. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive right in.
Put simply, leads are people who have shown interest in your products or service. Every sale starts with a lead. When businesses want to make more profit, chances are they need to keep generating more leads. But it's not all that easy. In fact, according to IDG, 61% of B2B marketers think generating high-quality leads is one of their biggest challenges. And 68% of businesses report struggling with lead generation, according to CSO Insights. There are literally hundreds of posts about why lead generation is important, and I bet you already know about some of the old-school ways to get leads, like content marketing, email, social media, PPC ads, and more. Most of them work nicely, but they do take a great deal of time and investment. What if I tell you there's one trick that works wonders and can get you thousands of leads almost instantly? The internet has changed the way we do business, period. In fact, people generate 2.5 quintillion bytes of data each day, and more than 150 zettabytes, aka 150 trillion gigabytes of data, will need analysis by 2025. While these numbers may sound astounding, it's not hard to believe how data can be leveraged for growing businesses. Consider this scenario. Jerry runs a startup company that sells auto parts to auto repair shops. In order to reach out to his prospective customers and make more sales, he needs to develop a pipeline with sales-qualified leads. He needs details, such as the name of the auto repair shop, the street address, the contact number, and other basic information. Jerry is smart and knows that he could get his information online. He Googles auto repair shops in the US and soon finds out there are online directories like Yelp and Yellow Pages, which has exactly the data he needs. But wait, how can Jerry grab all that information from the web pages? He surely does not want to do it the hard way. Web scraping is the process of fetching web data and turning it into structured data that can be easily used or analyzed. There are many ways to approach web scraping. You can either write a script, hire a scraping service, or use a coding-free automatic web scraper. While there are a handful of web scraping tools to choose from, I'll show you how to extract the business leads Jerry needs using Octoparse. Now you may want to ask, why Octoparse? Octoparse offers web scraping templates covering over 14 categories on over 30 websites, including Yellow Pages, Yelp, and many more. These are pre-formatted crawlers without any complex task configuration. These templates can scrape business information including the name, rating, address, phone number, open hours, websites, email, and other information. Click Use Template. All you have to do is to enter the keyword Auto Repair Shop and the location, New York, into the parameter. Click Save and Run. Choose Local Extraction. Now you can just sit back and wait for the data to be extracted. Within minutes, you can export the data into the format of your choice. Leads are important, but you know what's more important? Qualified leads. Using the same method, you can scrape social platforms like Twitter, Instagram, different kinds of directories like Yelp and Crunchbase, real estate portals like Gumtree and Realtor.com, or recruitment portals like Indeed. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you get to decide where to get the leads from, which is much more likely to give you qualified leads to become successful customers. This is not the end. Using Octoparse task scheduling feature, you can repeat a scraping job every day or week or month to keep your lead database fresh and up to date. Moreover, There are some other ways to use Web Scraper for lead generation. Track your competition. Create directories. Scrape event and conference websites. And more.
Thanks for watching. Do you already have a website in mind to scrape? Tell us in a comment or reach out to support@octoparse.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for our new videos.